Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on adding an HTML/RSS feed. There's probably an RSS feed to Moodle using Pandora. I'll show you what I've done already and show you what I want to do. Here's Pandora. I've got my logged in. I'm going to add my email address. There it is. Time. Now I'm going to generate the feed URL. Pandora is a great music site. Okay, there's my feed. So I'm going to grab that and I'm going to take it over to my support site. Now, I don't know whether or not I want my students knowing exactly all the music I listen to. Parents probably won't like that. I added this as an HTML block, but we'll go ahead and use this to show how to add an RSS. Let's see, add block, add random glossary, remote RSS feeds right there. Page should reload and go over here down remote RSS news feed, click on that. Display /dot, choose I'd like to make a I don't want. I'm going to use this as my music. And should a link be a yes? Sure, why not? And show channel available? Yes, sure. Let's manage all my feeds. Add a new URL. There's my URL field. We'll call this music. We'll call this Pandora's box. Call Pandora. Now validate the feed. Let's see what happens. The feed gets validated. Let's see how long it takes. It shouldn't take this long, unless there's something wrong, which could be the case. The RSS feeds. Oh, look that! It looks like it's doing something. This feed is valid, but may cause problems. We recommend fix it. Avoid content encoded. Look at that. That's all well and good. It doesn't look like looks like there could be problems, but we'll live with them. And we'll go ahead and add. I don't know if the problems are on the Moodle side or on the Pandora side. I'm going to use this one. And actions, configure this block. And I'll use Pandora. And we'll call this again music. Oh wait, we'll call this RSS. And I'll go ahead and use /.2. Yes, because it's already installed. Show channels of available. Yes. And save changes. Now that should reload my site. And on the bottom right hand side I should have some RSS feeds. There's RSS for Pandora. And where's the RSS for /dot? That didn't work. Why not? So let's go take a look at it. I said use both. Yes. Per block /dot. Okay, in this block I got both of them. Save changes. Looks like it's only going to show up as one of them. Scroll down. Okay. That's still not showing Pandora, or still not showing /dot. I wonder why. Is /dot not validated? Let's go validate it. See if it works. Edit. And manage all my feeds. Let's click on this one. How do I? Oh, look at that RSS. That looks suspicious, doesn't it? It's not the same. Validate. Let's see how it works. RSS./dot. Title should not contain HTML. Let's throw the HTTP in front. Let's validate this. This feed is valid, but may cause problems for some users. And it's doing something, I don't know what. Name or service not known. Well, that's interesting. I used the one that it supplied. Let's try this one. Control C, go back here, Control V, validate. Just trying to do something. 14 seconds. Still trying to get it to load. It's really slow. Let's see if we can find an RSS more appropriate for my students. Let's go to MIT OCW RSS, and I'll grab RSS feeds, research news, campus news. I click on computer and science technology. Now it gives me this HTML. Where's my RSS? Link. Cancer links. This is interesting. I want the RSS. More MIT RSS. Okay, really simple syndication. Okay, so I just supply the HTTP. Really, most of it that provides some background as well as links to. Okay, educational technology news at MIT. Okay, so that seems to work. Configuration. No, I went the wrong way. And we're done. How do I get back? Let's do an RSS. There's no RSS on this one. Okay, so edit. Newsfeed updated and continued. Okay. Let's go to UASD support. I have to go all the way back out, which is a little bit of a bummer. Let's see what this does now. Still don't have penned slash dot. So let's get rid of that, and we'll replace my. The heck is this? Click on. Oh, look at that! It's flipping out. Control W. Let's click on this. That was weird. Try again. No. Look at that. Why is it doing that? Why is it not clicking? Edit. Okay, so I'm going to... Oh, look at that. Slash dot is gone. How interesting. Manage all my feeds. What happened to slash dot? Whoa! Slash dot's gone. Slash dot. What happened to it? Slash dot. Edit. And it should drop me back out. Continue. Oh, look at that. It's gone again. Slash dot. Let's edit this. Let's edit that. Come on, edit. I've done this. Okay, so now when I type in slash dot, there it is. Slash dot. Edit. Updated. Okay, continue. I'm getting tired of this loop. Let's go back out. And scroll over. This is turning into quite an adventure getting this RSS to work. Alright, so let's go back to the edit. Slash dot still not showing. Gonna turn that off. Save the changes. Turning off Pandora. Hopefully slash dot will appear. And slash dot's not working. Unless it's going to start loading, transferring data, it's still transferring something. This is weird. So, didn't like that that's feed. Well, almost loading. I mean, this is working because this is pure HTML right in here. But the RSS is not working, so I need to find a list of RSS. Control T. Let's go to Delicious actually and do a search there. RSS. For Delicious, and see if my Pandora RSS works, but slash dot doesn't. What's the difference between the two? Let's go take a look at it. If I turn on Pandora, manage my feeds, see that? Now when I use HTTP, that works. This one doesn't. This is still loading. Well, adding an RSS feed is what this is coming into. I didn't realize this was going to take so long. I added this code as well by editing the template in Blogger. I won't worry about that right now, so I'm going to close this and wait. Okay. How to substitute blah blah blah, 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 blah. Magpie RSS parser, feed icons, feed validator, net blog lines, never missed episode with BitTorrents, how to create an RSS, feed blitz, dodge it, Google Reader, RSS generator, feed burner, feed tier. Well, let's see if we can find an RSS list. I would imagine that there would be lots of them, but clearly I'm not hitting the mark here. These are all feeders, or not feeders, but programs to create feeds. And so I'm not too happy with what I'm finding with the RSS feed. Show and syndicate newsfeed with no programming. Well, okay. This is taking way too long. Thank you for watching. This has been a tutorial on how to use RSS feeds with Moodle. Clearly there are problems, maybe with me, maybe with Moodle. Regardless, this is Dennis Daniels. Thank you and happy computing.